What if I told you that electrons inside a material cannot have just any energy they want? They are only allowed to exist in specific energy zones. These zones are called energy bands. Let's make this simple. You already know that electrons move around the nucleus in fixed shells, and each shell has its own energy level. Now imagine millions of atoms coming together to form a solid material. When that happens, all those individual energy levels spread out and form larger regions called energy bands. Think of it like a huge apartment building. Each floor is a place where electrons are allowed to stay, but the empty spaces between floors are places where electrons are not allowed to exist. These empty spaces are called forbidden gaps or band gaps. Now, there are two extremely important energy bands you need to know. The first is the valence band. This is where electrons normally stay attached to the atom. The second is the conduction band. This is the higher energy region where electrons can move freely. And when electrons move freely, electricity can flow. But for an electron to reach the conduction band, it first needs enough energy to jump across the gap between the two bands. That gap is called the band gap. And the size of this gap decides whether a material behaves like a conductor, insulator, or semiconductor. That single idea is the foundation of modern electronics. And in the next video, you will finally understand why some materials easily conduct electricity while others completely block it. Follow for more and master electronics.